Ever wondered why growing your own garlic brings such immense joy? The simple act of planting, nurturing, and harvesting garlic at home brings freshness to your meals and an unmatched satisfaction. Let's delve into how you can experience this joy firsthand. Your first step is to select the right garlic for your region and taste. Hardneck garlic thrives in colder climates and offers bold flavors, while softneck garlic prefers warmer weather and has a milder taste. Once you've chosen your garlic, it's time to start planting. Planting garlic is simple and requires minimal tools. Start by selecting the right soil, loose, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Identify a sunny location in your garden and ensure each clove is planted about 4 inches apart and 2 inches deep, with the pointed end facing upwards. Cover them with soil and a layer of mulch to help retain moisture. And there you have it. With your garlic now in the ground, it's time for a bit of patience. Garlic requires minimal care, but a few key steps will ensure a bountiful harvest. Regular watering is crucial, but remember not to drench the soil, as garlic prefers a moderately moist environment. Regular weeding, too, is essential, as it prevents your garlic from competing for resources. Keep an eye out for pests that may hinder growth. As you near the harvest season, gradually decrease watering. This allows the bulbs to harden, preparing them for storage. With consistent care, your garlic will be ready to harvest in no time. After months of anticipation, it's finally time to reap the fruits of your labor. When the lower leaves brown but 5 or 6 topmost remain green, it's harvest time. Gently dig up, cure in a warm, dry place, then store in mesh bags. And there you have it, your very own homegrown garlic. Growing garlic is not just about the end product, but the joy of the journey. From choosing the right variety, planting, caring, to the rewarding harvest, each step brings its own satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.